Woodworking is evolving fast, and the tools released in 2026 are changing the game. From smart AI-powered machines to powerful cordless workshop tools, these innovations are making woodworking faster, safer, and more precise than ever. In this video, we're exploring 25 game-changing woodworking tools released in 2026. Measuring, marking, rechecking, then cutting flooring with dust, noise, and ruined planks is frustrating and kills your flow. This heavy-duty floor cutter fixes that instantly, slicing vinyl and laminate clean in one smooth step, lining up angle and length together with insane precision and zero mess. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because cuts are fast, silent, effortless, and never again does flooring work feel stressful or sloppy. Trying to glue or assemble anything alone turns into a mess of slipping boards, uneven pressure, and wasted time redoing joints. This 6-pack of quick grip bar clamps instantly locks your projects in place with insane holding power, one-handed control, and flexible sizes that handle everything from small fixes to big builds. Once you try this game-changing setup, never again fighting shaky glue-ups, because every project feels faster, stronger, and ridiculously satisfying with rock-solid results every time. You mark one face, flip the piece, and suddenly everything's off. Corners don't match, and joinery gets harder than it should be. This folding saddle square wraps around the edge, transferring layout lines cleanly across corners in one smooth move. With a zero wiggle hinge, your marks stay dead on, even on angled joints. Once you use it, layout gets faster, easier, and far more accurate. No more second-guessing when cutting tenons, dowels, or precision joinery. Ever spend hours fighting sloppy corners, misaligned boards, and weak glue joints that ruin an otherwise perfect woodworking project? This Newdeli 45-degree lock miter router bit set instantly cuts self-aligning 90-degree joints that lock together clean, strong, and dead accurate on any router table. Once you try this game-changing setup, cabinet doors, drawers, and frames feel insanely professional, never again shifting, slipping, or stressing, because every joint fits perfectly and stays solid for years. Trimming edge banding by hand is annoying, uneven, and one wrong move ruins the whole finish. This handheld profile scraper fixes that instantly, gliding along the grain with insane control, cleanly shaving veneer edges smooth without tearing or slipping. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because every trim is stable, effortless, and precise. Your hands stay comfortable, and never again does edge work slow down your build. Tired of snapping dowels mid-project or wasting time hunting the exact size that never fits and kills your momentum? This carbide insert dowel maker turns scrap wood into perfectly sized dowel rods instantly. Clean cuts, strong fits, and zero guesswork with smooth hand-driven control. It's a game-changing upgrade. Once you try this, your builds feel insane, joints lock tighter, repairs get faster, and you never again rely on weak store-bought dowels. That's it for today. These game-changing tools can seriously upgrade how you build and work. If one stood out, grab the links in the description, subscribe to Adept Tools for more insane finds, and I'll see you in the next one. Trying to hold boards at a perfect corner while drilling, screwing, and not losing your mind is insanely frustrating. These 90-degree angle clamps lock pieces dead square instantly, gripping different thicknesses so everything stays aligned while you work. Once you try this game-changing setup, builds feel faster, cleaner, never again fighting crooked corners or shaky hands. Ever try trimming a dowel flush and end up gouging the surface or snapping cheap saw teeth? This Japanese flush cut pole saw fixes that instantly, cutting on the pole stroke so pegs, dowels, and tenons slice dead flat without damaging the surface. Razor-sharp Japanese steel and effortless control make every cut feel insane. Once you try this, rough flush cuts never again. Table saw kickback and board wobble make every cut feel tense, loud, and one mistake away from disaster. This Featherboard fixes that instantly, gripping the wood with insane control, absorbing vibration, and pinning it tight to the fence so it feeds smooth and safe. Once you try this, it's game-changing because cuts come out cleaner, confidence goes up, and never again does woodworking feel sketchy. Ever cut trim twice and it still doesn't fit? Angles shift, levels lie, and measurements waste time. The Bosch GAM fixes that by combining an angle finder, miter calculator, protractor, and level in one rugged tool. It locks angles in memory, flips its bright display, reaches tight corners, and shrugs off dust and splashes. Once you use it, measuring becomes fast, accurate, and guesswork-free. Perfect cuts the first time. Your CNC job ever shift mid-cut and instantly ruin hours of work? The MICROJIG MatchFit CNC Clamping Kit locks your stock down fast with low-profile clamps that grip hard without blocking your toolpath. Once you try this, setups feel insanely smooth, cuts stay rock solid, and machining instantly feels like a game-changing upgrade you'll never work without again. Laying out wall studs by tape and pencil is slow, annoying, and one tiny mistake throws the whole wall off. This on-center framing layout tool fixes that instantly, sliding studs into perfect position with insane accuracy while holding everything steady so you can nail fast and clean. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because framing speeds up, spacing is flawless, and never again do you second-guess your measurements. Trying to scribe cabinets or flooring to uneven walls is frustrating because tiny gaps ruin the entire finish. This multifunction scribing tool fixes that instantly, gliding along any surface and locking in insane precision so your marker traces perfect contours every time. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because installs fit flawless, work goes faster, and never again do gaps, guesswork, or recuts kill your results. Sanding, chiseling, and reworking uneven boards over and over is frustrating and kills momentum fast. This electric hand planer fixes that instantly, slicing through rough wood with insane speed and smooth control, turning messy boards into clean, flat surfaces in seconds. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because every pass is effortless, your hands stay fresh, and your projects instantly look pro, never again fighting bad lumber. Crooked cuts, guesswork angles, and dragging heavy saws around turns simple trim jobs into frustrating, confidence-killing messes. The Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw instantly delivers insane cutting power with a shadow line for dead-on accuracy, smooth angle control, and a lightweight build you can move anywhere. Once you try this game-changing saw, never again second-guessing cuts, because every project feels faster, cleaner, and ridiculously professional from the first slice to the last. If you made it this far, your workshop is already leveling up. Hit like, subscribe, and stick around, because the next tools are even more game-changing. Ripping thin strips on a bandsaw, and the cut wanders, chatters, and feels sketchy? This GuidePRO Featherboard fixes it instantly, using flexible silicone pressure to hold the wood tight while your hands stay free. Once you try this game-changing control, cuts turn insanely clean, vibration drops, and your saw finally feels like a pro upgrade. Wobbly boards and makeshift stands make every cut feel risky and frustrating. These folding sawhorses fix that instantly, locking solid with insane strength, zero slip, and smart hooks that keep tools and cords off the ground. Once you try this, it's game-changing because setup is effortless, everything stays stable, and you'll never again fight your workspace. Trying to hold boards straight while drilling always ends with crooked joints, slipping clamps, and projects that never line up right. This Pocket-Hole Jig fixes that instantly, locking your wood in place with insane grip and perfect angles, so every hole is clean, strong, and stress-free. Once you try this, it feels game-changing because builds come together faster, joints look pro-level, and never again does alignment ruin a great idea. Pocket hole projects usually mean clamps everywhere, misaligned joints, and wasting time resetting depth over and over. The Kreg Rebel 20V Pocket Hole Joiner fixes that instantly with one motion drilling, perfect depth every time, and cordless power that lets you build strong joints fast without clamping. Once you try this, it feels like an insane, game-changing life upgrade because woodworking finally flows smoothly, confidently, and you'll never again fight your setup. Dragging heavy shop tools around is a nightmare, wrecked backs, scratched floors, and once it's parked, you're stuck forever. The Bora Portamate mobile base turns any machine into a smooth rolling beast, handling up to 400 pounds with customizable sizing and instant lock wheels that move exactly when you want. It's a game-changing workspace upgrade. Once you try this, reorganizing feels insane, your shop flexes on demand, and you'll never again fight your tools. Weak table saws stall, shake, and ruin cuts right when precision matters most. The Riken portable table saw with stand fixes that instantly with serious power, smooth variable speed, and rock-solid control. Once you try this, it's an insane, game-changing upgrade that makes every cut feel confident and effortless, never again fighting your tools. Shaping wood with rasps or sanding forever is insanely frustrating, messy, and feels like you're fighting the material instead of controlling it. The ARBORTECH TURBOPlane blade snaps onto your angle grinder and instantly transforms it into a precision carving machine, removing wood fast, smoothly, and with controlled power that actually listens to your hands. Once you try this, it's a game-changing life upgrade because carving, shaping, and smoothing feel effortless, safer, and you'll never again dread aggressive wood removal. Sanding big surfaces with weak tools takes forever, fills the air with dust, and leaves uneven results that instantly kill motivation. The Jellas 3x21 belt sander fixes that with powerful sanding force, smooth variable speed control, and a smart dust bag that keeps your workspace cleaner while the long cord lets you move freely. Once you try this, it's an insane, game-changing upgrade because projects finish faster, feel smoother, and you'll never again dread sanding. Sanding usually means sore hands, dusty air, uneven finishes, and wasting hours fighting a tool that just can't keep up. This 3.0 amp random orbital sander instantly delivers smooth, swirl-free results with insane power, dialed-in speed control, and built-in dust capture that keeps your workspace clean. Once you try this game-changing upgrade, every project feels faster, cleaner, and ridiculously satisfying, never again struggling with weak sanders because your finishes look pro-level with way less effort. Dead batteries, weak torque, and fumbling with bits always hit right when you're mid-project and momentum is gone. The CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless drill driver instantly delivers serious power, smooth 2-speed control, quick bit swaps, and a built-in LED so you can drill and drive cleanly anywhere. Once you try this game-changing tool, projects feel insanely effortless, never again slowing down, because everything runs stronger, faster, and more confident from start to finish.